Hello everyone, welcome back. So we're back again with another short video tutorial, and in this video we will be learning how we can turn off the sleep mode in our Windows 10 or Windows 11 devices, whether it's a laptop or a PC. Okay, so let's get into it. And the very first thing we need to do is to go to the settings option, and we can do that by simply making a right click in our Windows icon and then go to settings option. Now, once we're in the settings window, you will see the option system in the left pane. Please click on that. And here we need to find for power and battery options. It's in this one. So screen and sleep, battery usage, power mode, and energy saver. Let's click on that. And in here you will see that with 77% of battery, the estimated time remaining is 3 hours and 49 minutes. So let's look for screen, sleep, and hibernate timeouts. Choose what happens when your device is idle or idle for a specified time. So let's click on that. And under plugged in options, we have two sections, by the way. We have plug in and on battery. So under plug in, we have two options: store my screen off after, make my device sleep after. So in this section we will see this drop down button here. In here we can choose for the minutes that the device will turn off after 20 minutes, either 25. And in this section we will choose the never option, and you can find that in the bottom part. And once we do that, once we click on never, the second option will also go never. As well as for the on battery section, please click on never also. And this one. So the moment we do that, once we leave our device unattended, it will never go to sleep mode and the screen will not turn off. Okay, so after doing this one, we will go to the power mode option, and in this we can optimize the device based on power use and performance. So just click on this drop down button here and just click on the balance options in the plug-in, as well as for the on battery. Please click on balance, and then after doing that, you can now click on this close button or exit button, and then you will see that the turn off or the sleep mode of your device is now turned off. Okay, so I hope you learned something from this video. If you did, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope I see you guys on the next one. Bye bye.